Good morning, students. We are doing lesson 3 computer virus, and since I have explained the chapter, it's time to do the exercises. So the first exercise is fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, the first fill in the blanks is disrupts, second is speed and destruction of data, third one is boot sector virus, fourth one is creeper virus, fifth one is MyDoom. MyDoom is the most expensive virus in the world, and the last one, that is sixth, is antivirus software. Now the second is state true or false. The first one is true, second is true, third is false, fourth is true, fifth is false, and the sixth one is true. In multiple choice questions, the first one is boot virus, second is Trojan horse, third is 1987, fourth is April 1st, and the fifth one is Farooq Alvi brothers. And now it's time to do the question answers. So the first question is, what is a computer virus? Name its types. So the answer is given on page number 30. On page number 30, it is given under the heading virus. Look, I have marked it. You have to write from a computer virus is a program till destroys the data. So this is the first part of the answer 1, and the second part is name its types. So you need to write only names, and the types of virus that you have to write is, the first one is boot sector virus, the second one is program file virus, the third is multipartite virus, and the fourth one is macro virus. Children, write only names. Second question is, write any 3 possible symptoms of a virus in a computer. So the answer is given on page number 31 under the heading virus symptoms. You can see I have marked the points that you have to write. The first 3 points you have to write. So this is answer 2. And now answer 3. The question 3 is, what do you understand by the term spyware? The answer is given on page number 33. And on page number 33, it is given here. You can see on the screen under the heading spyware. Spyware is a type of malicious software till to another interested party. That's it. This is answer 3. And the answer 4 is given on page number 33 itself, and it is under the heading Trojan horse. So I have marked, you can see here, Trojans have different behavior once they gain access into the system. Till you have to write till or personal information to be compromised. So this is your answer 4. And question number 5 is, write any 3 steps required to protect your computer from virus attack. So the 3 steps are given and at the same page. Steps to prevent virus. Under the heading steps to prevent virus, you have to write the first point, that is equip the PC with some antivirus program and keep it updated. And the second point that you have to write is on next page, that is page number 34. Just leave the first point. It is check whether your antivirus software has the potential. Just leave this point, no need to write it. You have to write the first point from the previous page, and the second point is install a firewall on your system to control the incoming and outgoing network traffic. And the third point you have to write is always scan the pen drive before copying files. So this is your answer 5. And question 6 is, briefly explain antivirus software. Name the antivirus software that is used in your school computers. So you can see it is on page number 34 under the heading antivirus. So the answer is, I have marked it here. Antivirus is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. It performs the following tasks in a computer. So you have to write all 3 points I have marked here. Scans computer files. Second one is identify suspicious behavior of any computer program. The third one is scans incoming emails. And then just write some popular antivirus software in use nowadays. So no need to write all the popular software. Just write three, that are McAfee, AVG antivirus, and Quick Heal. And the second part of the question is name the antivirus software that is used in your school computers. So just write Quick Heal antivirus is used in our school computers. These are all the answers of the exercise, and the chapter is finished now. Children, do only question answers in your fair copy, and all other exercises are to be done only in your computer book. So do your work. See you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself, and bye bye.